Hi everyone, it's me again, Nori, and welcome back to another video tutorial content. Last week, I uploaded a video tutorial content entitled How to Load GPinoy 99 by using your GCASH app. If you want to know the content of the video, please click the I button above. Thank you! And if you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click nyo na rin yung notification bell for more updates. So for today's video talks about how to cash into your GCash account using this app. Go to Play Store and search for CLIQQ App. Click on the first one and then install the app. And after installing, please open the app. After scanning, just click the open button. And after that, just allow all the prompt questions. For you to proceed on the process, please enter your mobile number and then click on Continue with Mobile. After that, you will be receiving a 4 digits code via SMS. Please enter the code below and accept the terms to proceed. And here it goes. You're already logged in to 7-Eleven CLIQQ application. As you can see, this is the environment of the 7-Eleven CLIQQ app, wherein you can open CLIQQ Wallet, pay bills, buy load, add e-money, redeem rewards, pera padala, shop with points, and also you can manage your transactions. The good thing about this app is you can earn points by presenting this barcode to the cashier every time you buy at any 7-Eleven store. And your points will be posted in here every time you buy and every time you present the barcode to the cashier. And now let's proceed to the question, how to cash into your GCash account using this CLIQQ app. Click on Add e-money. And please wait because your CLIQQ Payments is updating the list of products you can buy and services you can pay for. And after that, you can see this. Click on GCash and then click on GCash Cash In. Enter your mobile number and your transaction amount and then please click Confirm. And that's it, you are already creating transaction. And here it is, this is already your 7Connect barcode. Take note that your 7Connect barcode status is still on pending. Make sure to present this 7Connect barcode to 7-Eleven cashier and pay the amount due. You will only be given 30 minutes to process the said transaction. And if you could present this 7Connect barcode to 7-Eleven cashier and pay the amount due, then let's proceed to the question, paano ba natin maipapakita sa cashier booth ang ating babayarang GCash cash-in barcode? Let's go back again to our CLIQQ app and then click on Manage Transactions. In Manage Transaction, you could see the CLIQQ Points, CLIQQ Pay, and the Bills Payment. Click on the Bills Payment. Click on GCash Cash In, View Details. And here it is. Once again, just present this 7Connect barcode to 7-Eleven cashier.